Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting combo for all you tech enthusiasts out there. It's the Micro Center Core i7-12700K desktop processor paired with the Prime Z790P Wi-Fi DDR4 LGA1700 ATX gaming motherboard. In this video, we'll dive deep into the specifications, features, and performance of this impressive bundle. So, whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just looking to upgrade your PC, this combo might be your next go-to choice. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the features and specifications. The Micro Center Core i7-12700K is at the heart of this combo, boasting 12 cores with a clock speed that can reach up to 5.0 GHz when unlocked. It's ready for the 12th and 13th Gen Intel Core processors, supports PCIe 5.0, DDR4, and is out-of-the-box Windows 11 ready. What sets this CPU apart is Intel's 7th architecture, which enhances performance per watt, making it power efficient. Plus, it features 25 MB of L3 cache to boost instruction processing and system performance. Now, let's talk about the Prime Z790P Wi-Fi DDR4 LGA1700 ATX gaming motherboard. It's designed to complement the CPU perfectly. The motherboard features a 14+1 DRMOS power design, Pro-Cool connectors, alloy chokes, and durable capacitors for stable power delivery, ensuring you get the most out of your CPU. Keeping your system cool is essential, and this motherboard has got you covered. It comes with comprehensive cooling solutions, including a large VRM heatsink, flexible M.2 heatsink, PCH heatsink, hybrid fan headers, and Fan Expert 4 for optimal temperature control. When it comes to connectivity, this combo doesn't disappoint. You get PCIe 5.0 support, DDR4, Wi-Fi 6, Realtek 2.5 Gigabits Ethernet, USB 3.2 General 2x2 Type-C, front panel USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, and even Thunderbolt 4 header support. Now that we've covered the key features and specs, let's talk about real-world performance. But before we get into that, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews just like this one. Alright, let's talk about real-world performance. We tested this combo in a variety of scenarios, from gaming to content creation. Gamers, you're in for a treat. With the powerful Core i7-12700K and its integrated Intel UHD graphics controller, gaming performance is smooth and immersive. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or esports games, this combo can handle it with ease. Content creators, you'll appreciate the CPU's multitasking capabilities. We tested it with video editing software, and the results were impressive. It breezed through 4K video editing and rendering tasks, reducing your wait time significantly. In our system benchmarks, we saw a noticeable improvement in overall performance compared to previous generations. This combo's Optimum 2 proprietary trace layout allows memory kits to operate at higher frequencies with lower voltages, maximizing system performance. Hey there! So, what's the verdict on the Micro Center Core i7-12700K desktop processor and Prime Z790P Wi-Fi DDR4 LGA1700 ATX gaming motherboard combo? We bet you didn't know that. Well, if you're looking for a high-performance setup that's ready for the latest Intel processors and offers excellent gaming and content creation capabilities, this combo is worth considering. But hey, don't just take our word for it. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with this combo, so drop your comments down below. That's a wrap for today's product critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep critiquing those products to make informed choices. See you in the next video.